Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to delete your account here on Semrush. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do before you can delete your account is to log in using your credentials. Alright, and then now once you are logged in to your account here in Semrush, I just wanted to take note that before you delete your account, ensure any active subscriptions are canceled to avoid recurring charges. All right. So here, I'm going to go to the upper right corner. You might want to click the subscription info. It's very important. All right. That's going to be under the user profile menu. Now here, as you can see, if you want, go to the billing info right here and go to the payments section tab. You might want to click the subscription info, and if you have if you have subscribed to the pro plan, I want you to click the cancellation option if you have that. Basically I don't, because I'm using the free ones right here. For example, you opted for this, just delete that and you would be prompted to confirm the cancellation. It's very easy. And from here, basically, Semrush does not provide a direct delete account option, all right? Because you need to request the account deletion through their support team. Where is that located? They don't have it here, but instead, I want you to go to this specific page, all right? These are going to be the channels. You can request a session, all right? But the thing is, you might want to click the contact support, right? Now, you need to mention that you want to permanently delete your Semrush account and include the following, all right? You have to be ready for this: your account email address, confirmation that you don't have any active subscriptions or outstanding balances. But you need to verify the account deletion by letting the Semrush support. They would basically ask for additional verification to confirm your request. And once confirmed, they will process the deletion and notify you. Now, one of the best practice here in Semrush is that you might want to download any reports or data you might need before deletion, as you will lose access once the account is removed. That is permanent. There's no getting back to it. All right. And of course, I want you to also visit and review the Semrush's privacy policy to understand how your data will be handled after deletion. All right. And obviously, if you encounter any issues during the process, the support team will be there to assist you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.